Welcome to this breathtaking 2.5 acre estate nestled here in Jupiter Farms. This home offers unparalleled luxury and comfort. Let's go take a closer look. And as you enter the heart of the home, you will find this amazing living space. But this kitchen is where culinary dreams come true, featuring top-of-the-line Thermador appliances to create all your gourmet meals. And don't miss the bar off of the dining room, the Mealy coffee maker, and walk-in butler's pantry providing ample storage, which is a common theme that you will find throughout this home. This primary suite is the epitome of luxury. Outside, you have your own private oasis. The screened-in pool offers a nice, refreshing escape from the Florida heat. To schedule a private showing to view this home, please contact the Wolfe team today. We'd love to show you.